Mastering questioning and clarifying techniques for effective debates and discussions. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In today's episode, we will be diving into an essential topic for debates and discussions: questioning and clarifying techniques. Being able to ask insightful questions and seek clarification is crucial for effective communication and engaging conversations. So, let's get started and enhance our language skills for debates and discussions. To begin, let's understand why questioning and clarifying are vital in debates and discussions. By asking questions, we demonstrate active listening and show genuine interest in the topic. Asking questions helps us gain deeper insights, challenge assumptions, and encourage critical thinking. On the other hand, clarifying techniques enable us to ensure that we fully comprehend others' ideas, avoiding misunderstandings and misinterpretations. There are different types of questions we can use to promote engaging debates and discussions. Let's explore a few of them. 2.1 Open-ended questions. Open-ended questions are questions that cannot be answered with a simple yes or no. They require a more detailed response and encourage the speaker to express their thoughts and opinions. Open-ended questions often start with words like what, why, or how. Example: what are your thoughts on the impact of technology on society? 2.2 Closed-ended questions. In contrast to open-ended questions, closed-ended questions can be answered with a brief response, usually a yes or no. They are useful for seeking specific information or confirmation. Example: do you agree with the statement presented? 2.3 Follow-up questions. Follow-up questions are crucial for delving deeper into a topic and exploring different perspectives. They help us build upon previous answers and maintain the flow of the conversation. Example: could you please provide an example to support your argument? Now, let's shift our focus to clarifying techniques. These methods are invaluable for ensuring clear understanding and avoiding miscommunication. Here are a few effective ways to seek clarification. 3.1 Paraphrasing. Paraphrasing involves restating someone's words or ideas in your own words. This technique allows you to confirm your understanding and demonstrate active listening. Example: so, if I understand correctly, you're saying that. 3.2 Seeking examples. Asking for examples can provide clarity and concrete illustrations of abstract ideas. Seeking examples helps us grasp complex concepts and ensures everyone is on the same page. Example: could you give me an example to better understand your viewpoint? 3.3 Requesting elaboration. When a point is unclear or lacks sufficient detail, it's essential to request elaboration. Requesting elaboration encourages the speaker to expand on their ideas, making the discussion more insightful and informative. Example: could you please elaborate on the second part of your argument? Congratulations on completing this video lesson on questioning and clarifying techniques for debates and discussions. By mastering these skills, you will enhance your English language proficiency and become a more effective communicator. Remember, asking meaningful questions and seeking clarification not only fosters engaging conversations but also promotes a deeper understanding of diverse viewpoints. So, keep practicing, and we wish you success in your future debates and discussions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.